Unlocking the secrets of raised bed gardening. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting gardening technique that not only beautifies your outdoor space but also boosts your plant growth. We're talking about raised bed gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie looking to green your thumbs, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about raised bed gardening. So, let's grow our gardening knowledge together. Raised bed gardening involves growing plants in soil that is higher than the ground level, usually contained within a large planting box. These beds can be made from various materials like wood, bricks, or even concrete blocks. The key idea here is that the soil in these beds is elevated above your garden's natural ground. This method offers numerous benefits, such as improved soil quality, better drainage, and easier weed and pest management. In simple terms, it's like giving your plants their exclusive mini garden with optimized conditions just for them. One of the biggest advantages of raised bed gardening is the control it offers over the soil environment. Because you're filling the beds with your own soil mix, you can create the perfect conditions for your plants to thrive. This is especially helpful if the natural soil in your area is not ideal for gardening. Additionally, raised beds warm up faster in the spring, extending your growing season. They're also more accessible for those with mobility issues, as they require less bending over. Plus, they can make your garden look neat and organized. Building a raised bed might sound complex, but it's actually quite straightforward. You'll need some basic materials like wooden planks, screws, and soil. First, decide on the size and shape of your bed. Then, construct the frame using the wooden planks and secure them with screws. Once your frame is ready, place it in your chosen location and fill it with a mix of soil and compost. Remember, the quality of your soil mix is crucial for the success of your garden. DIY enthusiasts and gardening beginners can easily tackle this project over a weekend. To ensure your raised bed garden thrives, here are a few tips. Choose the right location. Your bed should receive plenty of sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Select suitable plants. Some plants do better in raised beds than others. Research the best plants for your climate and soil type. Water wisely. Raised beds might drain faster and require more frequent watering. Make sure your plants get enough moisture without overwatering them. Rotate your crops. To prevent soil depletion and pest buildup, rotate your plants each season. We hope this video has illuminated the joys and benefits of raised bed gardening for you. With a little effort and creativity, you can transform your outdoor space into a lush, productive garden that's both beautiful and bountiful. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning and growth, so don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and experiment. Happy gardening, everyone, and see you in the next video.